Okay, Ted, don't let Mary come down here because we got some freaking birds in distress, man. I just knocked them out of there. We got a nest in there somewhere. I don't know where the hell it is now. But it's in there somewhere. Oh, it's right there. See it? There's the nester. They went flying out and now that guy's all butthurt. They're communicating. He's talking to his buddy. Maybe it's his wife. Who knows? They're yapping up a storm. Sorry, dudes. Anyway, I guess that's the problem with having bougainvillea. I'll let them be, I guess.